Hello YouTube, we're at Science Museum and this is the big layout they have. It costs like over like $3,000. I'm not sure, like $3 million. As you can see there's a train here. It's coming around. What do you call it? Union Pacific. The railroad crossings are not working. There's a little button press. More of those. There's a railroad crossing. Here comes another pianist. They don't have sound effects, they have speakers. I know. I'm surprised they don't have any Norfolk 7s because I've seen a ton of them. Go along, we're following this Union Pacific train. As you can see, there's another button. It's a lumber yard. There's another train. I think those are Aspen trains. Yes, I do. There's actually all that goes up. I don't know why. There's another train. Comes Union Pacific again. And they got another thing button. Make it lane bigger, maybe make a side track. Here comes the Union Pacific again. Here comes the coal mine train. Passing each other. Oh, there it is. UNICEF yard. Bulldozer. Cars. Happy. When I grow up, I want to have a layout like this. See, we have another button. Makes the metro train go. Yeah! There it goes, Poppy.
Yep.
There's another train. I know we can't zoom in, but that's L train. Subway. There's a metro train again. Here comes the subway. Again. There's another metro train. I think you can't get no, I don't think you can get those anymore. Those are like limited edition. You can't get them anymore. Those are probably handmade. There we go. Those are handmade, those you cannot get them anymore. And that's an underground tunnel. We got a really big scale model. The big used tower. It's ginormous. Yeah, guys, if you would see this, it's ginormous. And we got this big ginormous airplane. I know. It shows a whole video how they got it. Like a future. Excuse me. And we got this tower again. More buildings. The track is not operating. Got another button for the drawbridge. Drawbridge. And really close to where we started again. We got this other train. see. Some stuff in there. We got some more trains, and more stuff. And then that'll be nice. That's probably almost done. Gonna be a fast train. There's other passenger train. Here goes the Pacific Gate. That's more so.